Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we're going to be doing a different look in our dip nail series. Today we're going to be trying Orchid, so stay tuned.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. So first, in all of the videos, I'm going to start with 2 coats of clear on my nails. I'm going to do 2 coats of the color and 2 coats of the clear, and that is going to finish up the dip. So I'm just opening up the dip powder. They all come with a protected seal on it so that it doesn't spill out or anything. For this one, I'm going to pour it in this tiny cupcake liner. I picked these up at Walmart, I believe. And for this one, I'm going to lay my finger into the powder. So throughout this series, you will notice that I'm showing you guys a lot of different ways that you can achieve beautiful dip nails. So I'm going in with my base coat. So what I have on is a nail tip, which I have shown how I do that in previous videos. I have on 2 layers of clear, and I'm going to do 2 layers of Orchid and then 2 more layers of clear. Orchid is a very kind of light and airy color, and I personally like the kind of see-through effect, but if you want to build the color up more, you can definitely use more than 2 coats. So this is the color, very beautiful, and this is with 2 coats. So this is the finished nail after I have added the top coat. You can do a gel top coat, or you can use the top coat that comes with the dip system. Make sure that you check out that episode to see how I do that. Don't forget to go in with your cuticle oil. We do carry this on our website along with these dip powders and liquids. So make sure that you check out my nail website. So these are all of the nails. If you have not caught all of the episodes, make sure that you do that and catch the ones to come. I really hope you guys are enjoying this dip nail series with how to do different designs and some of our different colors that we offer. I have definitely enjoyed it. I do have some giveaways coming, so make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.